Hi guys, my name is Dennis. Thanks for coming to my channel. And today I'm going to do the installation of the spoiler for my Tesla Model Y. I just want to show you the box. It comes with that kind of box, and this is the spoiler. And now I'm going to install that. And also on the box, it's installation instructions here. But anyway, I'm going to show you everything that you need to install this spoiler. Okay, first you're going to clean your car. My car is dirty. You can see here, I'm gonna use whatever, something to clean just that spot when you're gonna add that spoiler. Okay, nice and clean, I think. Okay, next step that you're gonna do, you're gonna use the alcohol wipes. It comes with the package, and you're gonna wipe out again the same surface when you're gonna add that spoiler. It comes two with the package, and I'm gonna use two. All right, the next thing that we're gonna do the quick test fit. How it's gonna look in my car, and hold on. Okay, supposed to be, I think, like that, but anyway, I'm gonna measure it that later. It's supposed to be like that. I think it looks great, but yeah, I think it looks great. The next step, I'm gonna use the masking tape to center that spoiler. Um, Let me just check here from this side, from that side. Okay, it's supposed to be a little bit close to this side. Uh, I don't know. For me, it looks great. Okay, after I fit that perfectly, I'm gonna use the masking tape on the corners to see where it ends. I mean, one like that, and the other, piece on the other side. Okay, and I think it's perfecto. Okay, and the next step, it comes with the 3M tape, of course. And we're just gonna peel off those. Okay, I'm gonna peel it off that. I'm gonna peel it off everything. All right, and the last thing that I'm gonna peel off. All right, and then I'm just gonna put it to my car. It's supposed to be like that. You can see before that I add the edges here. I think it's supposed to be like that. Ooh. I hope it's in a center. Okay, and the next step is the last step for me. I'm gonna use that Scotch tape just to secure that spoiler, because I'm gonna drive my car. I'm not gonna leave it for like 12 hours. They said in the instruction that you have to keep your car for 12 hours. Do not drive, do not wash, do nothing. But I can because I have only one car. And that's why I'm gonna just add that tapes. Just try to secure that. I think I'm gonna use in the 3 spots. In the center and on the both sides. I think this way it's not gonna go anywhere. And tomorrow I'm gonna remove those Scotch tapes and I'm good. that's it. And you can see, guys, that installation took for me like, I don't know, 10 minutes. And I'm not that the really handy guy. But it's super easy. Alright, guys, thank you for coming to my channel. Please subscribe, leave me some comments. The most important for me is subscribe. Alright, bye guys, thank you for watching. Bye.